My Will is as Strong as Yours by LIOBA BRÜCKNER, Special Treatment version 1 in 60 by 83 cm rounds. Starts with electric diamonds that we have sprinkled in the background. So simply sprinkle it in the whitest areas in the background, like some over here, right by her hand, over there, and also on this side above the butterfly. So sprinkle it in those white areas in the background. My Will is as Strong as Yours, version 2 special treatment, now adds ice crystals that we have sprinkled on her blue dress. So focus on the dark blue shadows that you see on her dress. So coming up closer, we see that we've placed it majority on the darker blue area of her dress. And that will give it this beautiful glisten. My Will is as Strong as Yours by LIOBA BRÜCKNER, Special Treatment version 3, now adds magenta crystals that we have sprinkled on the red flowers. That would be the red flowers on her hair, as well as on these sections, right over here and here as well.
Wow.
That's Zuli.
Wow, look.
Yeah, you like it? It's pretty, right?
Oh, it beats. Oh.
Yes, that's right.
Again.
So once again, for version 3 of My Will is as Strong as Yours by LIOBA BRÜCKNER, we have magenta crystals, ice crystals, as well as electric diamonds.